This is the Astrid chair by Pago. The Astrid chair is a luxurious, commercial quality chair designed to enhance your home or office. It is comfortable, supportive and durable, featuring high-density moulded foam. The chair has a posture-sure knee pivot mechanism with tension adjustment, so you can achieve correct posture in a number of seated positions. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Start by placing your feet firmly on the floor, ensuring there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. For shorter people, this may require a footrest. The second lever opens and locks the posture-sure knee pivot mechanism. The third feature is the tension knob. With the Astrid chair, the tension the back exerts on you is adjustable. Simply turn the knob clockwise while seated to increase the back tension and anti-clockwise to reduce. The tension should be set so that your body is in balance, firm enough to support you and light enough to allow recline without too much effort. The seat should be able to return you to the upright position. We recommend using the chair in the free float position or unlocked most of the day. Lock your chair in the most upright position for concentrated working. Pago chairs are built to last, so the Astrid chair carries an 8-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.